learn about comedy today. We're going to learn about noises. Hope you feel better.
Hi, my name is Chen, and this is Every Comedian is Beautiful. Have you ever been watching stand-up comedy, and the comedian says something that's not a word, but you laugh anyway?
Johnny, I've told you times. Stop playing around, I'll tell your mother. How is your wife, mate? She's pretty...
What you've just heard is a funny noise. A funny noise is a Kalashnikov in the armory of a comedian. But why? See how these comedians use funny noises to get a big laugh? Well, funny noises also add a lot of depth, texture, and nuance to performances.
I moved the stool next to me just slightly and it made this weird noise, and it caused the entire audience to laugh.
But sometimes even the funniest comedians forget to use funny noises.
This is our first show on the air since New York and Washington were attacked, and I need to ask your patience and indulgence here because I want to say a few things. And
there's a blinding error in this monologue by David Letterman. He forgets to use funny noises, and it shows. The audience doesn't laugh at all. But what happens when we add some of the funny noises from before?
This is our first show on the air since New York and Washington
Johnny, I've told you
were attacked, and I need to ask your patience and indulgence here because I want to say a few things. And
feel the difference?
But
with everything positive, there is a negative, and people have abused funny noises. How did we get here?
Bing, bing. Whoa. Bum, bum, bum. Bing, bing, bong, bong, bing.
Stop. This is simply wrong and disgusting. Only comedians should use funny noises. But if you can look past this darkness and see the light, you'll find a rich tapestry of funny noises that can make us laugh, think, and cry. Well, what's the funniest noise? I guess that's for you to decide. I'm Chen, and this is Every Comedian's Beautiful.